Hello! To remove SIM card from your Redmi Note 14, first of all you need to get yourself this pin which comes included with in your box, and you have to open using this pin the SIM tray which is located on the bottom of your phone, and right now you have to simply insert this pin into this little pinhole right here and simply push it to open the SIM tray, just like this. And now you have to simply grab your SIM tray with your nails and pull it out just like this. Alright, and I will try to demonstrate how to eject two actually SIM cards. So let me just get this SD card out of here. Alright, I will insert here the second SIM. Alright, so as we have two SIM cards right here located like this, simply to remove the first SIM card, right here on the side, here is this little shiny like plate. Basically it is just a cutout hole right here, and you can grab this SIM card with your nail, just like this. And as you can see, it comes out pretty easily, and you simply grab it and take it out, just like this. And the second SIM card, you also simply have to grab it with your nail. Here is this, like also the cut, which makes the SD card fit right here. You simply have to grab it with your nail, just like this, and as you can see, it comes out pretty nicely and quickly. So yeah, basically that's how to remove your SIM card. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.